Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right now by opening Settings and making sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. You need that to fetch search suggestions. If you plan to use Chrome, sign into Google in the Chrome app first. Once done, tap Settings and scroll to Safari for system default or locate Chrome if you installed it. This is the first actionable step because iOS assigns the default per app. Follow these initial taps so you can change the default search engine next. Now change the actual default. In Settings, tap Safari, then tap Search Engine and select Google from the list. This sets Google for Safari searches. If you prefer Chrome as your default browser, go to Settings, find Chrome, tap Default Browser App and choose Chrome, then open Chrome and sign into Google for synced results. Make sure to close and reopen your browser apps so the system registers the change. These steps cover both Safari and making Chrome the overall browser default. Finish by verifying that your searches use Google. Invoke Spotlight or open your browser and type a query. Results should come from Google. If you still see another engine, restart your iPhone and recheck Settings, Safari Search Engine, or Settings Chrome for default browser. Make sure iOS and the browser app are up to date because missing options often mean an outdated build. If issues persist, sign out and back into the browser app. That frequently resolves sync or preference glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.